What the steps of steam cleaning of carpets? When it comes to cleaning carpets, steam cleaning goes a long way. It keeps the COVID-19 at bay as well. That's why our Melbourne Carpet Steam Cleaners always follow specific steps for steam cleaning of carpets. Preparing the solution. Use the right steam cleaners. Starting with the right places. Drying the carpet. So you see, there are certain steps that our Melbourne Carpet Steam Cleaning pros would take to steam clean your carpet. Thus, they will ensure the carpets are as clean as new and are safe as well for COVID-19. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.